My videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create labels so that you can add exceptions to your retention policies. So this comes under data lifecycle management in your Office 365. So guys, in front of you, I've opened Microsoft Purview. Here, what you have to go to the policies, and then here you can find this third label, third option, labels. So you can create a label. Okay. And I put a like test label. Okay, you can put a description for admin who will manage this label. Next, label settings, like the items that will apply will be hold for forever specific period, or you want to enforce action won't be retained. You can decide whether it should be deleted. Okay, that's all. And if you want, you can just label the items, uh, and they can be edited and do. But yes, you can always filter them with based on label. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going for retain. Next, period. How long you want to retain them for? I have forward custom 5 years. I can go 10 years. Beginning when they were created, last modified label, I would say created. And what you do after that? This retention, delete, change the label, run a Power Automate flow, deactivate retention setting, whatever you want to. Okay. So I can create the label. Now it is being submitted. Okay, now your label is created. What is your next step? You're going to publish this label to Microsoft 365 location. You will create a label policy to make this label available in locations like Exchange, OneDrive. Okay, when published, users can manually apply to their content. So it can or set it as default label for content such as SharePoint document library or email folders. Okay, or you can publish or auto apply it to content later. So you can do later. If I do it now, what's going to happen? Now it is asking label to publish. I select this one. Next, scope. So you are gonna choose, okay. This is static. I don't have this license, so I cannot go for adaptive. And it is asking me to the policy. But yes, location. All location in Exchange, Mail, Office, OneDrive, SharePoint, or you can select certain locations where you want. I'm selecting all locations. And you're going to put a policy, and then you can go to finish and publish. But I'm not going to do that because I just want to make it for educational purpose. So you got this idea. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.